Hello guys and welcome to Glide by Prep Eve. So after the success of our first live batch for the DuoLingo English test, I am here to announce the second batch. So with more than 44 students I believe who joined the course, and students from Mexico, from UAE, from Saudi Arabia, I don't know from what all places. So we worked like a family, and now all of them are taking their tests. Some of them have got the score that they wanted, some of them are not getting it, but overall after finishing a successful batch, I am here to announce the second batch for DuoLingo English test live classes. All right, so a quick discussion on what happens in the batch. So you guys get a live class daily for 10 days. So this course acts as a crash course to help you collect all the information, to help you learn all the strategies that are required to attempt the DuoLingo test. And beyond this, we have prepared something that is really very beneficial. I won't say that it will cover everything for you, but we have prepared a vocabulary cheat sheet. Okay, so a quick description of what this sheet is. So if you guys would have attempted the practice test, you would have known that what the DuoLingo people are doing is that they are confusing you with words. Okay, so for example, there's a word BRAISE and BRAZE. Okay, if you know one of them, you would be like that the other one is incorrect, right? That I know that BRAISE is a word, it is a process how we cook, right? So BRAZE would definitely be wrong, but that is not the case. Okay, so we have collected a list of such words, more than 300 of them, pretty much in like the words that DuoLingo is confusing you on. So for example, BLONDE and BLOND. Now you would be like that they both are the I know what BLONDE is, but BLOND is incorrect and you won't mark it, right? So exactly like this, we have prepared a list. You will be getting this sheet, and our agenda is that you remember all of them. If you can't remember all of them, we discuss this sheet in 2 classes so that everything goes in your head, right? And beyond that, we practice a lot in the batch. So you can find the link to the very first lecture that can act as your demo lecture in the description box. So what I have done is, first I teach you the strategy, then I ask all of you to write live, and then I evaluate the writings one by one, the same way we do it for speaking. Okay, so we practice a lot so that you guys get the feedback that is required, right? And the screenshots of some of the results that we have got. So these 2 students were in the batch. So this student has got 110, this has got 115, and other students are taking the test. Some have taken the test today morning, some of them are taking it. So but I'm very happy that 2 of them have already got the desired result. And if you guys want to join this course, the fee is ₹1799 inclusive of GST. And the link to join the course is in the description box, and the demo lecture, that is the very first class of the previous batch, is also provided in the description box. Watch that, enroll into it. Now, when is the course starting? The course is starting from Wednesday. Wednesday is 23rd of June, right? 23 June we are starting with this batch, and the timing of the class is 7 p.m. IST. Every class is approximately 1.5 hours to 2 hours long. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. So if you guys want to join the course, link is in the description box. See you in the course.